In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating a cinematic space scene in After Effects. We'll start by building a simple star-filled background. Create a new solid by going to Layer, New Solid, and make it pure black so the stars really pop. With that layer selected, apply either CC Starburst or CC Particle World to generate your star field. If you use CC Starburst, slow the speed down near zero and increase scatter so the stars feel distant and calm. If you prefer CC Particle World, choose a small soft particle like Faded Sphere, keep the birth rate low for a subtle density, set velocity close to zero, and extend longevity so stars don't blink away too quickly. Keep the color near white or a gentle off-white for a natural look. Next, let's create planets or moons. You can import planet images you already have, or quickly draw them in the comp with the ellipse tool. Hold Shift to make perfect circles and use fill and stroke to define a clean edge. To add depth, apply a soft glow for a gentle rim light. Then add a gradient overlay to simulate a lit side and a shadowed side, which instantly gives the sphere a more three-dimensional feel. Now animate the scene, select a planet and press P for position, click the stopwatch to set the starting keyframe, move the playhead forward and nudge the position for a slow, graceful drift. Repeat on other planets with slightly different directions and speeds so nothing feels synchronized. For rotation, press R, set a keyframe at the beginning, move to the end of the timeline and add a small rotation amount for a gentle spin. Keep movements subtle. In space, less is often more. To add depth, create a camera by going to Layer, New Camera, move it slightly to introduce parallax, where foreground objects appear to move faster than the background. A tiny push-in or a slow pan is enough to give the scene a cinematic sense of scale without causing motion sickness. Let's enhance the lighting, add a lens flare to suggest a sun or strong highlight, position it where your main light source would be, and dial back the brightness so it supports the scene rather than overpowering it. Finally, enable motion blur for realism. Turn it on for your moving layers and activate it in the timeline so every drift and spin feels smooth and natural. Preview your animation and fine-tune star density, glow intensity, and drift speeds. With just these steps, you've created a calm, immersive space scene ready for titles, transitions, or a full-on cosmic montage.